Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video has been an experience for me. We did a little experiment today. I applied my foundation with a natural sea sponge. I was on vacation a couple weeks ago and I went to this natural soap shop and they had a huge bin of these like little baby sponges in there. It said that they were makeup sponges. I've never seen anybody do their foundation with a natural sea sponge. I will say that I'm sure if I YouTube it or Google it, somebody's definitely tried this, but I'm not going to check in on that because I like to think in my mind that I'm original and we're going to stick to that. So yeah, if you guys want to see what happened when I use this little sea sponge here to apply my foundation, then please keep watching. So I did wet this one down. As you can see, it's nice and squishy. This one is a lot less squishy. It kind of feels like styrofoam. This one is dry. So I definitely, if you're going to try this, would recommend wetting it down because I feel like it's going to be more like a beauty blender if you do it that way. I'm going to prime my face to make things fair. As of lately, you guys, my favorite primer has been the Catrice Prime and Fine. It is, I don't know, it just makes my skin feel so silky. Why was I going to say it like that? It makes my skin feel just so silky. So let's just rub this in here. So I'm gonna mix two colors and two different foundations together because I want the coverage and the shade of the MAC Studio Fix in the shade NW18, but I also want the light finish of my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This one is in the shade 4. So I'm gonna mix these two together and kind of make like a full coverage, lightweight baby. All right, let's do this. I'm just gonna kind of dab it on my face at first. Disperse the product. Alright, I'm kind of nervous about this. I feel like it's like even just applying the product, it has like little holes. Let me just zoom you guys in. Let's zoom this in here. You guys. Now I know why nobody's ever done this, or maybe they have, but why it's not popular. It's making my foundation look like I've worn it for 3 days straight, like it's all broken up with sweat. It's really just the way it's applying. Like, it's just kind of giving it like a holy look, like some of it's pushing it into my skin and some of it's missing since there are so many holes in it. Yeah. I really wanted to like discover something. You can't win every time, you know? But I'm going to try and keep this train rolling with concealer. I'm going to try and blend up my concealer, and I bet you I can guess what's going to happen, but for the sake of the video, you know? So bad. So bad. Oh. So it's kind of a funny story. When I was at the soap store, I had already been in the store for like an hour just sniffing all the soaps because, you know, natural soaps are my jam. I just like to sniff them, and I bought quite a few of them. So I made a purchase already. I'd been in the store for an hour, and then you know, the sponges caught my eye, these little guys, and I was asking the guy at the cash register all these questions about loofahs and sponges and all that stuff, and we were talking for about a good 10 minutes, and you know, I was asking him about these sponges and you know, whatever. So towards the end of our conversation, he started kind of getting antsy and like short with me. So I was like, all right, he wants me to go. So I decided that I was going to purchase a few of them. And I was like, you know what, I'll get a couple of these. And he grabs a handful of them, throws them in my bag, and goes, take them, they're on me. But as he was saying this, he was like walking backwards, and he went in this room in the back of the store and like disappeared. And I was like, just standing there alone in this store with these sponges in my bag now. And I'm like, yeah, I bet you that he had to go number 2 or something. Like, I bet he had to go to the bathroom. And I was just like being really annoying. That's so annoying of me. Like, well, what about these sponges? And he's like, I'm gonna crap my pants. I'm gonna crap my pants. So he shut me right up, gave me the sponges for free. Didn't even have to pay the 50 cents. And here we are today. Thanks, guy. So I can safely say that this is not working out. So I do have some place to go after this. So I'm just going to blend this out like with my fingers, which is actually what I normally do with my under eye concealer. I really like to use my fingers. I don't know why, but I'm just going to blend my face out better because literally I'm going somewhere after this. So, you know, I gotta look kind of cute. So yeah, you guys, that was a definite bust, which is unfortunate because I was really excited about this. Like, I really wanted this to be something. But no, it was nothing. Don't do it. But I think now I'm just going to use these tiny sponges to exfoliate my face and like to wash it with. I just think they're too cute to toss, so I'm going to keep those. Find some sort of use for them, but yeah, not for foundation. It just really, they're just too porous, you know. There's a lot of little dividends and holes in here. It gives you an uneven application, and it just looked like I had like splotchy, cakey makeup. So even after I blended for like, I blended my under eyes for probably 3 minutes, and yeah, nobody wants to blend their under eyes for 3 minutes anyways, even if it did work. So yeah, there you have it. It was a bust, but I really appreciate you guys sticking in there and watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more videos. Oh, my hair's like, look at that. What happened? It's magic. Hit that bell notification button if you'd like to be notified every time I post, so that way you don't miss a video. But anyways, thank you for watching. I will talk to you next time. Bye.